What if the key to scaling AI in your business isn't picking the biggest vendor, but avoiding them altogether? LangChain is proving that open beats closed, especially when it comes to deploying powerful, customizable AI agents without locking yourself into one provider. Last month alone, LangChain was downloaded over 72 million times. Why? Because developers are tired of vendor lock-in and want choice, flexibility, and scale. Before we go deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you're building with AI or thinking about it, you'll want to stay in the loop. LangChain isn't just a framework, it's a growing open-source ecosystem, and it's been expanding fast. After launching LangSmith for testing and LangGraph for building agents, they've now released LangGraph Platform, which takes everything to the next level. Think of LangGraph Platform as your command center for intelligent agents. You get one-click deployment, horizontal scaling, agent memory, and native debugging. It's made for ambient agents, background AI tools that react to events and run continuously. Perfect for enterprises needing serious reliability. 370+ teams tested the platform already. Big names like LinkedIn, GitLab, and Uber are on board. Why? Because LangGraph gives you full control over the agent's cognitive architecture. Unlike tools like CrewAI or AutoGen, which simplify the process but limit your power, LangGraph is built for teams that demand reliability at scale. And the ecosystem doesn't stop there. LangSmith tracks your agent's performance. LangGraph Platform manages and scales them. It's all part of LangChain's bet that open source will dominate AI infrastructure. If you want to avoid costly integrations and vendor limitations, this is the model to watch. LangChain is betting big on open source, and they're winning. Watch the related video in the corner to see how another open AI platform is disrupting the enterprise space. And if this sparked an idea for your own business, don't just sit on it. Take the next step.